Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, August 17th, 2020. And this morning we saw the markets gap up above the prior day high after we had some bullish activity last week, and they haven't really done a whole lot since then. So we have seen very quiet ranges. In fact, the ES range at the time of this recording is just under 9 points. So that is really light relative to what we have been seeing for the past month or so. So what I want to look at this afternoon is what has happened historically when you get this consolidation-like activity as we approach the close. So let me set this up here in Discover. We will use all four instruments. The setup will be entering long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at the close at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now for the opening filter, I'm going to use opening above the prior day high. And then I'm going to go into the post-open filters. And this is going to be where I can test the light range as well as just add a little bit of context with the price action. So first off, for the price action, I'll say that we're trading in the top half of the range. That is currently true at the time of this recording. And then to capture that range compression that we have been seeing, the really light range, I'm going to say that the intraday range as of 3 p.m. Eastern Time is less than 40% of the 5-day ATR. So currently the 5-day ATR is just over 35.5 points. So that would make 40% of the 5-day ATR about 14.25. We're well under that right now, and that would still give a little bit of room for range expansion if that was to happen between now and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And then lastly, what I want to do is go into indicators and put us in this really bullish environment of above a 10 and 200-day moving average and click View Results. And here we go. So these are the results of going long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time and exiting at the close at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you gap up above the prior day high in a bullish environment, and then you have a quiet session forming and you're trading in the top half of the range. And I'm defining that quiet session as the daily range being less than 40% of the 5-day average true range. So historically, that has happened 36 times in the ES. We've got 24 samples in the NASDAQ, 25 in the YM, and only 8 in the Russell. So this pattern has not happened very often, pretty rare. Looking at win rates, ES, 56% of these have closed higher. NASDAQ, exactly 50-50. YM coming in at 60%, and Russell, the few samples that it has, 62.5%. So looking at the win rates on all four of them combined, none of them are weak. But they're not all that strong either. So this doesn't appear to have a strong edge to it, but it hasn't been weak either. So historically, not a whole lot of edge within this pattern. So hopefully you found that interesting. Good luck the rest of the day, and we will see you next time.